Welcome, let's see how to edit the favicon in Shopify with a few simple steps. Favicon is the icon of your website that is displayed in the address bar of a browser. It is very much important for branding and visibility. To see your store's current favicon, go to your store admin page and click Online Store. If it's a new store, you will see this globe icon. To change that, come back to your admin page and go to Themes and click Customize. Now, click Theme Settings and click Favicon. You can select the favicon image now. If you have an image in the gallery, you can choose it from there. Once you choose the image, click Select and click Save. That's it. You can refresh your store to see the updated favicon. In case, if you didn't like the icon, you can remove it and then click Save. Refresh your store and the icon will be removed. You can also upload your favicon from your system and add it to your store like this. Hope now you understood how to add and remove favicon to your Shopify store. If you have any doubts, do leave a comment.
The #1 single product Shopify theme featured in Envato Tuts Plus. With more than 3,300 downloads, the Boom Shopify theme is trusted by customers worldwide for its easy customization and conversion-focused demos. Without any coding, you can build amazing websites like these. Get all the 80+ demos with a single purchase now. Create a gorgeous and powerful e-commerce store today. The name is Boom.